Did you know that eating oatmeal regularly can cut your cholesterol by 5%? This superfood packs a powerful punch for your health. With benefits beyond breakfast, oatmeal is a surprising ally in your wellness journey. Stay tuned to discover how this humble grain can transform your health. Oatmeal has become a favorite among health enthusiasts, and here's why. As a nutritious staple, it's gaining popularity for its remarkable benefits. This humble grain is more than just breakfast. It's a powerhouse of nutrition, capturing the attention of those seeking a healthier lifestyle. In today's fast-paced world, many of us face health issues like poor digestion, heart disease, and low energy levels, often leaving us searching for simple solutions. Here's where oatmeal comes in. Known for its nutritional richness, oatmeal might be the answer to your health concerns. Packed with fiber, it aids digestion, keeping your gut healthy and functioning smoothly. Additionally, oatmeal is renowned for its potential to lower cholesterol levels, thus supporting heart health. Imagine starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal, feeling energized and ready to tackle any challenge. As we explore further, you'll see how incorporating oatmeal into your daily routine can lead to remarkable improvements in your overall well-being. Stay tuned as we delve into the 9 incredible health benefits of oatmeal in the next segment. Sometimes the simplest changes can have the most profound impact on our lives. Let's explore 9 amazing health benefits of incorporating oatmeal into your diet. First, oatmeal is renowned for its heart-healthy properties, as it can lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. It's also a fantastic ally in weight management, offering a fulfilling start to your day that curbs cravings and supports a healthy weight. Additionally, oatmeal promotes better digestion. Its high fiber content keeps things moving smoothly, preventing constipation and supporting gut health. But the benefits don't stop there. Oatmeal provides a steady release of energy, keeping you fueled and focused throughout your busy day. For those looking to stabilize blood sugar levels, oatmeal is an excellent choice for offering a slow and steady rise in glucose rather than sharp spikes. Moreover, oatmeal supports skin health. Its antioxidants combat inflammation and irritation, leaving your skin looking fresh and radiant. Finally, let's not overlook its ability to boost immune function. The beta-glucan found in oats enhances your body's defense mechanisms, helping to fend off illnesses. With all these benefits, it's easy to see why oatmeal should be a staple in your diet. Next, let's hear from someone who experienced these transformations firsthand. Imagine starting your day with a simple bowl of oatmeal, unaware that it holds the power to transform your life. That's exactly what happened to Sarah, a busy mom of 3, constantly struggling with low energy and digestive discomfort. One day, she decided to give oatmeal a try after hearing about its benefits. Within weeks, she noticed a remarkable difference. Her energy levels soared, and her digestion improved significantly. Sarah's story isn't unique. It's a testament to the profound impact oatmeal can have. By incorporating this humble grain into her daily routine, she discovered more than just a meal. She found a path to better health. Her mornings became less hectic, her days more productive, and her overall well-being improved. Oatmeal isn't just breakfast. It's a lifestyle change that can lead to extraordinary results. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to enhance your health, consider making oatmeal a part of your daily regimen. Join us as we delve deeper into the world of oatmeal and uncover its potential to revolutionize your health journey in the next segment. To recap, oatmeal offers 9 remarkable health benefits, from boosting heart health to aiding digestion. Embrace the power of oatmeal and make it a daily ritual for a healthier lifestyle. Let's transform our health one bowl at a time. Share your journey with us as we explore a nutritious diet. Join our oatmeal community. Share your favorite oatmeal recipes in the comments below. Don't forget to check out our next video on healthy breakfast options. Together, let's continue this journey towards better health, one bowl of oatmeal at a time.